So welcome back, guys. Today we have so much excitement right here in the studio, recording all of my favorite ISs I have ever built. The unique part about today's video is the colors of the 325 IS and also the rarity of all the different cars. Today we're going to show you so much that we've done on these cars. Stay tuned to see the most amazing colors ever produced in the 325 IS collection. So these cars are so unique. The 325 IS BMWs, they have so much to actually talk about. But on this video, we're not going to really go into detail of what was done on any of these cars. But more specifically, we're going to talk about the color and the changes in all the different colors and which color might be easier and which color might be more difficult to spray. The first car we have here is the Calypso Red 325 IS, a car that we just completed recently, a car that's shortly to be delivered to its owner who's actually done this car. And I think this is one of the most spectacular, rarest colors when it comes to the 325 IS. Calypso Red, deep, candy looking paint, that's amazing, and the gloss levels, as you can see, is on another level. Then the next car I would like to show you is also the Glacier Blue. This is something for the first time that we've painted, and it's almost got that unicorn kind of a look on it because there's different colors if you really spray it right. So you have the blue, which is the overall base color, but then you have that kind of a rainbow effect where you see the reds coming out on the other side, which is on the flip side of the paint. And this is also very rare. There's not many 325 IS that I've seen in these colors, and this actually looks amazing. And then, guys, we have the Polaris Silver. A very unique color. I think it's one of the best colors, and so says Rob. We've been having a whole conversation around this. And I think the lighter colors when it comes to the 325 IS for me really resonates because like if you look at the Glacier Blue, you look at the Ice White, you look at the Silver, it brings out all the details on the cars, and I think I like that about best about it. But then, speaking of the lighter colors, we all of a sudden come to this bright color, and that is your Brilliant Red. One of the favorites on the market, I think most of the guys, because from our previous videos, you're always seeing that we're spraying so many Brilliant Red 325 IS. And I think the thing about the market about the 325 IS is everyone loves the Brilliant Red. And the Brilliant Red is a spectacular color because it's so deep and it shows so much on the sky. And the way it comes out when you look at it and after you polish or detail this car, it comes out with such a beautiful shine and it looks so amazing and so rich. So that is also a very, it's a favorite color on the market, and a lot of people always want to spray their cars Brilliant Red. And then there's Dolphin Gray. Unique color. I think it's a very, very, very nice color when it comes to a 325i. This is the i Sport, by the way, guys. So this is one of those imports from overseas. Still has the 325 IS kit, but it's a 325i motor, and it's a i Sport, which is from the UK. But the difference when it comes to a i Sport is that this car basically has a 325i motor with the 325 IS kit, but still so unique, such a beautiful color, and it's a color that I really think that's amazing in the E30 collection. And this is one of the colors that also when you spray the car, you can see all the detail in it, and if it's sprayed correctly, the color looks amazing. And now to two spectacular cars, two cars that look like the supermodels of cars. And that is on my right hand side, the M3. And then we're going into the Pillarless. Two cars that look totally amazing, two cars that never came to South Africa, and two cars that we love to add the spice to any of the collections that you own. Another most loved color is the Henna Red. For most of you guys and for all the lovers out there, when it comes to BMW E30, you should know this Henna Red better than anything else. It's a color that strikes out, it's a color that has pure differences on it, and it's a color that every single one of you know has value. And then finally, next to me is what we call from the streets to the Kasi, the spinning car that everybody loves in South Africa, that the whistles are all around, and that's our 4-door 325i, a car that every single one, I think, by now understands and knows it by the spinning scene. So guys, I don't know about yous, but right now, me standing in the middle of the showroom right now, showcasing all of these beauties. This makes my hair on my hand stand up, because you'll never ever get to see all of these cars all at once. So from all the unicorns like the M3, which we never get to see E30, to the pillarless that you never get to see in South Africa, and all the colors of the ISs and all the different shades of these cars, it's something truly beautiful to see, especially in this day and age, 35 years later. Guys, enjoy this video. We hope you love the content in this video, and we as Glossworx are very proud to present these cars because they're all built by Glossworx.